Hello everyone! Welcome to Catch a Plant Scientist Tomato House Tour 2024. Here is the little tomato greenhouse. And recently we have set up the tomatoes for this year. Instead of 20 tomatoes like we had last year, this year we're going for a more conservative 18 tomatoes to give each tomato plant a little more room to grow. This year, we've tried a new innovation to help facilitate the tomatoes' growth. Although they're small now, as tomatoes grow, they grow very tall and they send up new trusses of flowers. These are called trusses here, as they grow up their poles. So what happens when they get to the top? Usually they form a tidy mat of tomato stems, but this time we're building little bridges for them, so that the tomatoes can hook onto these mesh bridges and grow across, forming a more elegant arch of tomatoes. Hopefully this will provide them with more support so that they can produce more fruits during the summer. I hope this inspires you to come up with new ideas to optimize tomato production in your tomato house.